All right, let's do it. Got my window rolled down. Let's do it. Let's do it. Not gonna mess this up. All right. Let's go. Let's take this thing back. Here, I'll open up a little bit on this window. You guys ready? Yeah, I got the driver's side window down. Oh yeah. I want you guys to hear this. I don't know if you guys can hear the bypass valve, but son, this thing's got some turbo noise. Alright, let's let it rip again. So I'm gonna close this driver's side window. The only thing that's gonna, oh shit. So what I'm doing is I'm punching it from 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. That's when you like really get that turbo spool and the intake like really rushing in all that airflow. And then that back pressure on the exhaust where you hear those pops, exhaust pops. Now I'm gonna put the GoPro in the back and I'm gonna do it again. And you guys can actually get a chance and see the and hear the difference in the exhaust on the outside. Second gear. Yeah, if you keep the RPM, well, if you have the same setup as me, if you keep the RPM at 3,000 and step on the gas all the way to 4,000, you'll hear that really strong bypass valve and the exhaust. Yeah, exhaust likes to pop at fourth gear. Yeah, I'm trying to see if you guys can pick up that bypass valve fluttering. Even just at 2,500, yeah, at 2,500 RPM, and I'm in third gear. You can still hear it. So I'm actually going to Dunkin' Donuts. Going to Dunkin' Donuts, getting some food. Obviously, it's not the best food, but I always want my iced tea and some donuts. Alright, well. I'm gonna stop this video and let you guys let me know what you guys think about the inside cabinet of the, like I said, Takeda, the AFE Takeda Pro Drive air intake system, Grimmspeed Cat J pipe, and then Carven Catback exhaust system. So plus my Boomba bypass valve too. But we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys.